making today?
Today we're making spaghetti sauce.
What do we have in our spaghetti sauce today?
We have 1 pound ground beef, 1 large onion, 1 jar pasta sauce, 1 tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste, 1 teaspoon pepper, 1 teaspoon all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder.
Nice job. Now let's get started.
Okay.
We are going to start by adding our diced onion onto our ground beef, and we are going to add about 2 tablespoonfuls of garlic and ginger paste, and we are going to leave it on the stove for a little while. In here I have diced onions, and we are starting our spaghetti sauce. I'm going to just add a little bit of oil, and this is just the oil from me steaming the ground beef, so I'm not going to use any added oil. I'm just going to use what I got from the ground beef, and I'll just wait for it to fry a little bit. So after about 5 minutes, this is how your onion should be looking like. We are going to add in our pasta sauce, and also add 1 tomato paste just for thickness. After about 15 minutes, this is how spaghetti sauce is looking like. We are going to go back and add this sauce to our ground beef. I added a little bit of meatballs to that because I remembered I have those, so I just added it to it. If you would like the recipe for making these meatballs, let me know. I'm going to do that. I'm going to put the stove on medium, and I'm just going to add our sauce to our ground beef. I'm going to give it a quick stir, and I'm now going to add in my spices. I'm going to add in my 1/4 spoon of powdered pepper. We are going to add in all-purpose seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and we're going to stir that. At this time, you can also taste your salt and make sure everything is right. Remember, we did not use any oil in this spaghetti sauce, so all the oil that is coming on top of the stew is from the beef. If you do not like that, you can also scoop this oil of the beef. I've tasted it. Our salt is fine. Our seasoning is fine. I'm going to leave it on the stove for about 10 more minutes, and then I'm going to turn off the heat. All right, guys, our spaghetti sauce is ready. I'm going to turn off the heat, and we are going to serve it with spaghetti. I will see you in our next video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, give us comments so we can learn and we can grow from your comments. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.